Every morning starts the same for marketers. New day, new ideas. One question: what's trending today? Meet Alex, a digital marketer asking the same thing every day. What should I post? And will this trend still matter when I hit publish? Trends move fast, but manual research moves slowly. By the time Alex identifies a trend, analyzes engagement, and decides to act, the moment is already gone. The result? Missed opportunities, reactive marketing, and hours lost just finding trends instead of creating content. Sound familiar? What if marketers didn't have to chase trends anymore? Introducing our real-time marketing trends automation workflow, built on the open-source low-code platform n8n, a system designed to automatically discover trending content, structure insights, and deliver actionable trend data without manual effort. Let's walk you through how it works. Marketers simply enter a keyword or niche they want to track. The system instantly understands what matters to them, as monitoring relevant trends, shifts in audience interest, and emerging opportunities automatically so they never miss what's gaining momentum. n8n sends that keyword to a scraping API, which scans TikTok in real time, pulling trending videos, descriptions, hashtags, and key engagement metrics. No scrolling, no guessing, just live trend data. All raw trend signals are automatically organized inside Google Sheets. Clean, structured, and ready for analysis. This becomes a living trend dashboard, updating itself in real time. The system then turns everything into a clear trend report, delivered straight to your inbox. Daily, weekly, or whenever you need it, you don't chase trends anymore. They come to you. Now Alex doesn't react to trends late. Alex acts early. Instead of wasting hours researching, the focus shifts to what actually matters, creating content while the trend is still hot. With real-time trend automation, marketers recover up to 80% of lost research time, discover trends 2 to 3 times faster, and improve content relevance by up to 40%, all without manual scrolling. This isn't just about trends, it's about building intelligent marketing systems, so humans can focus on creativity, not research. Ready to automate your marketing intelligence? Visit systemintegration.in or reach out for a demo. BMV System Integration, empowering your automation journey.